Ellie the Elephant had the biggest sneeze in the jungle. Ah-CHOO. One morning, she woke up with a tickle in her throat. Uh-oh, said Ellie. I feel a sneeze coming. She wiggled her trunk. She jiggled her ears. She tried to hold it in. Ah-CHOO! Her sneeze blew the leaves off the trees. Monkeys flew off their vines. Birds spun in the air. Even a lion's mane got fluffed. Bless you, said Parrot Pete, laughing. Oops, giggled Ellie, but the tickle wasn't gone. She tiptoed through the jungle. Don't sneeze, don't sneeze. A feather floated by. It tickled her trunk. She wiggled, she jiggled, she twitched. Then, ah-CHOO! Splash! She sneezed into the river and made a giant wave. All the jungle animals started laughing. Ellie's sneezes are the best, cheered Monkey Max. Ellie smiled widely. Next time I sneeze, get your swimsuits. From then on, Ellie's sneezes weren't just big, they were jungle fun.